So now we'll see another example for conversion of decimal fraction to binary. Okay, so in this problem we have two parts, that is this is 12 is considered as what, integral part, and this 0.6875 will be considered as fractional part. Okay, so we have to divide those two, that means 0.6875. so this is considered as what, integral part, and this 0.6875 will be considered as fractional part or fraction part. Okay, so we need to carry out the steps separately. For that, first we need to divide this 12 by 2, because we are converting decimal to binary. So binary radix or base is 2, so that 12 must be divided by what, 2. Okay, so as you did in the previous sessions, like conversion of decimal to binary, we have to divide this 12 by 2. Okay, 2 6 are 12, so we are left out with carry 0, then 2 3s are 6, carry will be 0, then 2 1s are 2, so 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, so the carry will be 1 or remainder will be 1. Again 2 zeros are, then 1 will be the remainder. Okay, how we have to take the remainder or most significant bit, least significant bit from bottom to top. ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಾಟಮ್ ಟು ಟಾಪ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಟಾಪ್ ಟು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ 1100. ಓಕೆ, ಪುಟ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 12ಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, 1100. Now we have to take this 0.6875 as like this. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀ 0.3125ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದರೆ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇವಾಗ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 3 parts. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 3 part, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. What is the value? We have to take this fractional part only, that includes 0.6875 into 2. So what is the output for that? 0.6875 into 2. Output will be what? 1.375. So in that we have to take 1 as a carry and 0.375 as a output. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1.375 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿನ 1 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ವಿತ್ 0.3750, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ 0.3750. ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್ ಬೈ 2. 0.3750 into 2. 0.3750 into 2. What is the output? 0.75. So 0 will be the carry, 0.75 will be the output. Again we have to divide, we have to multiply, that includes 0.75 into 2. Okay, so 0.75 into 2, 1.5. so 1 will be the carry and 0.5 will be the output. 1 will be the carry, 0.5 will be the output. Okay, again we have to multiply that 0.5 by 2. So 0.5 into 2. What is the output? 1. Okay, so the carry will be what? 1. And this, at this stage we have to stop the conversion because we got a whole number 1. Okay, then no need to write the further step. So in this you have to take 0.00 because 1.00 will be the output, so that carry will be 1 and output will be 0.00. So whatever the value after getting 0.00, we are going to get only zeros, so that at this point we have to stop the multiplication. Okay, so for fractional part we have to take the MSB and LSB from top to bottom, so that what will be the output? 1011. Okay, so 12 gain ಬಂದಿದೆ already answer 1100. and for this fractional part we got 1011, so that we have to write 1011 basis 2. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟು ಹೋಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನ ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಟ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೈ 2. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಪ್ ಟು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ 1 ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. Okay, so whatever the value we are going to get for this whole number or integral part, that must be written before the decimal point. After that we need to put decimal point, then we have to write an answer or MSB and LSB for the fractional part. Okay, so integral part ke bottom to top baribeku, fractional part ke top to bottom answer baribeku. Okay, don't get confused. Do more problems on decimal fraction to binary. Okay, so this is regarding conversion of decimal fraction into binary system. So you have to take another example in order to work out these kind of problems. Okay, thank you.